Hello guys, welcome back. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to create a QR code in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. In first step, we have to insert QR for Office. To do so, click on Insert. From Add-ins group, Get Add-in. Here we have various options. From the search box, type QR for Office. This is QR for Office. Make sure to click on Add. It opens as this window. Here you have various options. You can use URL, mail, telephone, and some other options. We will go for URL. Here, write the URL that you have. I'm going to type my YouTube channel. From these options, you would be able to change the QR color. From here, you can change the size of your QR. This option is used to improve the scannability of the QR code when your code is damaged or covered by another image. But we are going to leave as it is. Click on Insert. The QR code will insert into your Excel sheet. Bring it into here. Now you can save it as a picture. Right-click on it, save as picture, and then save it. You can use this picture for any app that you want. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.